Welcome to the CDMX food tour, where culinary delights meet cultural exploration in the heart of Mexico City. Today, we'll take you on a delicious journey through the vibrant neighborhoods of Condesa and Roma. Imagine sipping traditional tequila as you soak in the atmosphere of Mexico's historic drinking culture. Next, we move to a taco haven where flavors have been perfected. Tacos al carbon, freshly grilled and bursting with authentic taste. For dessert, we indulge in the sweet aroma of freshly made churros paired with rich, velvety chocolate. This stop is a testament to nearly a century of dessert tradition. As we stroll through Condesa and Roma, these neighborhoods reveal their charm. Stunning architecture, artistic murals, and bustling streets make this more than just a food tour. It's a cultural adventure. This 4-hour journey is easy-paced, perfect for food enthusiasts ready to savor authentic Mexican cuisine while discovering the beauty of Mexico City. Book your spot now and get ready to taste, explore, and experience the flavors and culture of Mexico City. Don't just savor the city with the CDMX food tour. Book now by clicking the link in the description below or visit vibeadventures.com.